Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Now we come back. You can see on my screen there is a flag from Japan, and there is the written about omelette. So we will talk about omelette, the food from Japan that making from the egg. That this is now I want to talk and sharing about with you why tips and why I choose this omelette. Now, okay, I'm Farida Rusmirani. Will recommend you to talk how to make the omelette, the difference, and the what the ingredients can use to making the omelette. Okay, first, the first is how to cook omelette. Yes, people maybe know how to cook the omelette, and I am of course know how to cook the omelette because I am so love the omelette. But how to make the omelette from Japan? Like how? Like how? That can make the omelette smooth in inside and crispy on outside. Here, I want to tell you about the technique. First, the omelette from Japan need to more shake from then you cook the omelette through radar. The omelette from Japan need more shake, and the technique to intention the hot of the fire is can be uh, it can be effect for to make the omelette. So you should attention the hot of the fire and how much you shake the omelette. And second is ingredients to make omelette better. I know you if you making the omelette, you can add some ingredients. But here I want to give you a tips for make your omelette is better from then you cook. First, omelette from Japan is usually can add the cheese grater and the chili sauce. When you cook the omelette on the pan, you add the cheese grater and chili sauce. Then you then you fold up the omelette and serve it into the plate. But from any ingredients, you can add more some vegetable. I have tried to make omelette from Japan, and of course I know how the technique to cook it. But uh, because I'm very love the vegetable, I'm always add some vegetable like carrot, onion, and maybe uh, carrot, onion, and what else? Yeah, the green vegetable. And sometimes I always you add some nut. I think it's delicious. Yeah. Okay, we come back. When it's the technique is same. When you shake the omelette on the bowl, you after that you add some powder and you cook the egg on the pan. But on the pan you still shake the omelette. That is the technique that make the omelette from Japan is make a smooth on inside, and the small fire can help the omelette crispy. If you know, that is the tips, the ingredients I give you. And for the next is different egg, different taste. Why I tell you a different egg? different tastes. First, egg from Japan with have a color white egg is not have a bad smell. So the taste is will be more delicious. It's different like if you using more the egg from Indonesian. The brown egg is from Indonesian and the white egg is from Japan. The brown egg from Indonesian is have a bad smell like anise. So if you want to know, the smell can affect from the food, and it is make the food have different tastes, of course. Just because the smells is affect the taste. So it's different when you use the egg from Japan and use egg from Indonesia. And the next is the reason why people love omelette. First, I told you because the this omelette have unique form, and it is have two texture, smooth and crispy. And of course, the second reason is it is easy to make um, the omelette, and the technique is too challenging and make the people curious to make the omelette. That is uh, info I the information I can share to you. For the next, thank you for your watching. Don't forget, different different ingredients can affect the different tastes. So you should attention the ingredients when you cook. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.